Hey guys, my name is Gaming here, and welcome to Watermelon Bomb. Another fun flash game, and it is still Sunday, and I will be doing videos quite a bit today, actually. Come on, work. There. Perfect. Knock down, oops. Oh, you have to knock down at least $5,000 worth of fruit in a day. Buy more oranges and berries for your tree so you can earn more cash each day. Buy more watermelons to have more chances to shoot. Explosion size makes your watermelons explosions larger. Well, how? There. 240. Pow! Yes. Got quite a bit. Oh, that failed. All I got was 150. That was pretty good. 450? Pretty good. I can't even buy anyone. Boom, 850 in one day. I'm gonna win this. Easy peasy. I'm squeezy. I'm gonna win. There. Now, from what I've learned about this game, it's good to have your explosion size larger. And have more watermelons, because then you have more chances to shoot. Boom. Alright. Just a minute. I gotta close down my can of chips here that I was eating earlier. There. Got another watermelon now. So now we have 2 watermelons to shoot. 2 watermelons equals tons of money. And the more the berries equals the more the money. Holy cow, I got a lot. Oh my god. How many do I have? I got 1,650 from that. That's crazy. Holy crap. Boom, sucker. Boom. Alright. Bam. And bam. Pow! Yes. 1,700 in one day. I'm gonna win this easy peasy. There. 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 Oh, sorry, I haven't been talking. I get too into games nowadays. Okay, so I'm doing pretty good. Did I win? Did I win? Did I win? Did I win? Ah, that was close. Cool. Yep, I win. I won the game already. 21 days and I won the game. Woo! Alright. Menu, yeah. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. That was Watermelon Bomb, and that's how fast I can win games. And I got all of the achievements as well, except for destroy 25 oranges. I'm doing it. Destroy 25 oranges. There's one orange. One orange dead. I gotta get that last achievement. Come on, all huddled together. I need you. I need to get this achievement. Ooh. Why aren't I getting the achievement? Oh, do I have to destroy like 25 in one shot? Great. That's what I want to be spending my time doing. There. Oh my god, I need another watermelon. Bow! Boom. Another watermelon. Coming right up. 640 for oranges? Oh god. Prices are going up. They only go up to like 320 for berries, and I'm guessing they only go up to 640 for berries, for oranges. Blech. Boom. Okay, I destroyed at least 25 oranges. Come on now. This is just getting to be poop. Grand poop. Grand festa poop. God. Come on. Okay. Alright, this video is gonna be way too long when I'm done it. Alright, let's hurry this up. Oh my god, down there was like 3 in 1. 6 in 1. God. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh, one more shot and I can get. Yes! 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 I won. Can't stop me. I won. Can't stop me. I won. Thank you guys all for watching. This was Watermelon Bomb, and I would like to just say, before I go, I would like to just say one word to you. Peace out. Wait, that was 2 words, wasn't it? Peace out. 1 word or 2 words? 2 words. Peace out.